students, today's lesson we are looking at the laws of indices. Now, it is called a law because it is a law, we have to follow the law, and these are the laws. Indices simply means power. Example of index is 4, y raised to power 4. The 4 is called an index or power. Now, these are the laws we want to treat today. The first law, when you have a multiplication, m raised to power a times m raised to power b, it will give us m raised to power a plus b. You add up the power. As long the base are the same, add up the power. When you are dividing, once the base are the same, subtract the power. Then the third one, any number raised to power 0 is 1. Then this negative power, we will see how it is done. So let's look at this example to clarify the laws. The first one is multiplication, which signifies the law, the first law there. This is y raised to power 5 plus 4. Just add up the powers, and that's y raised to power 9. We're done with it like that. Then the division, you minus the power, and that will give us 8 minus 6 is 2, and we are done. This is when you get to division you minus the power, 7 minus 7, and that will give us m raised to power 0, and that's 1. Any digit or number or value raised to power 0 is 1. Then the fourth one, we have m, let me draw the line, let's bring it here, m raised to power 8 minus 10, that will give us m raised to power minus 2, and this will give us, this work is what we're doing here. Now this m raised to power minus 2 is on the fourth category law. So when you have your minus, it will give us 1 divide. This your minus is 1 divided by m raised to power 2. That's the final answer. So this is the last example before you attempt your assignment. So let's look at this work. 10 raised to power 2 divided by 10 raised to power minus 3. This is 10 raised to power 2. Divide is minus, then minus 3. I bracket the other minus 3 because of the minus outside. So this is 10 raised to power 2 minus that's minus plus. Then this is 10 raised to power 5. So you have to attempt this assignment and submit either to your school or to somebody elderly at home. Thanks for viewing.